Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and I'm back with yet another tutorial, y'all. I'm putting them out there. I'm trying to do them like almost every day to get out today so I can go get a drink or something. And I finished in time. It's like 9 something. So yeah, stuff's gonna be closing until like what, 12, 1 o'clock. Keep y'all along with this tutorial. I want to jump right into it. So if you want to see how cute this look, then keep on watching. I'm going to take my Rumor number 5 and my Rumor number 2 base, and I'm going to my Jefree Star palette, y'all. And I'm going to use my 167 brush to pack on this shade. The shade is called Cherry Wet, and I'm basically patting into a C-shape form. Then I'm going to go into my 39S palette from Morphe and grabbing that pink shade. And I'm just basically tapping on top of Cherry Wet to basically blend and smoke out this look. For the last shade, I'm going into my Jefree Star Jawbreaker palette again, and I'm going to grab Bubblegum to set everything. So I took my Plouise times MMMitchell, and I'm going into my Ravers and Blank Canvas Acid Region bases, and I am cutting my crease with this. I might just all in the camera, but I'm going to take in Winter Rose from the Plouise Winter Edition Basic Brights palettes, and I am going to basically put that as a liner and then line the top with Wet n Wild Mega Liner. And I'm scenting Winter Rose with Bubblegum. And this is where I messed up on, but for the glitter pigment, I used Cinderella from Makeup Addiction Cosmetics, and I should have just kept the liner matte instead of adding glitter right here. So that's Went ahead and did my face off camera. Go ahead and do the under eye. That's why I messed up on. Don't do that, y'all. And then I went and did the face, and that was it. And for a highlighter, I took my my Sublime Pat McGrath highlighter trio, and then added pink. And I took the transition shades and added the pink on to the waterline. I did my favorite lip combo, Chestnut from MAC, and Dose of Colors Sand Liquid Lipstick. Now I'm going to top it off with Peaches and Cream Diamond Lip Gloss, and that is it. This is that bomb pink look. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And once you subscribe, press that bell button right next to the subscribe button so that you will always stay notified when I do an upload or when I upload a video. But until then, I'll see you guys on my next tutorial.